I got to the end of that and it says 3 hits. No one ever hit me the whole fucking time. Wow. Poorly programmed. Stupid. What? Fuck you. Okay. So far, so good. What? He never hit me. Whatever, dude. I got robbed. Well, I'm dead. I was gonna kill this guy without getting hit.
Ones knew when to just step aside and let
Oh! That counts as a hit? Why the fuck does that count as a hit? Whatever. That made no sense. It counts as a hit if you fall off. It shouldn't. I was right at the end there and I fucking fall off the edge like a fucking idiot. Come on, man. What? Fuck this. Did not get hit. I pressed the fucking button. Yes, I pressed it. Fuck you. Stupid game. It doesn't always look it. It actually is delayed. The shield is delayed. Look, you can hear the click and then look when the shield comes out. What the fuck? Yeah, it's delayed. No wonder. You hear the click on my button, then you see him pull up the shield half a second later. Excellent. So dumb. Oh, okay. I also don't like how the enemies, or the turrets come out in random positions. Okay, fuck. What the hell happened? Okay.
smarter ones knew when to just step aside.
Come here, asshole.
And let things go.
Yes, perfect. I did it.
Pulls it off like it was nothing.
Woo! Nice. I just got 2,500. Wow. Oh. Well, I guess there's no achievement for it, because I just did do all of them, and I got nothing for it. I thought it would be one of the secret achievements, and it was not. It definitely was not. I got fucked. I do have more money now, though. Maybe I can buy something else. Ugh.
There's a hint of pride in his eye when he gets back, and more than a hint in mine. Part of the rippling walls floated by.
Oh, wait.
I caught the kid's old knapsack.
Ah. Okay, a new thing opened up. Fuck, I have no upgrade materials for the Calamity Cannon. Why is there a star on it? What does that mean? That I've completed it? I'm very confused. Move faster while attacking? Yeah, maybe that means it's maxed out. It is maxed out, that's what it means. I can either move faster while attacking, or large attack range increase, but you can't move and fire. I'm going to use that one.
That thing wasn't always meant to be a weapon, but there's no denying it now.
Yep, sounds good. Okay, so I maxed it out, and now we got a new area too. Let's check this area out. The
It's hard
bedroom.
to sleep easy these days, what with everything that's happened.
Looks like it's going to be another challenge. This is who knows where. So this will be the last one, and then there's an achievement for doing all three who knows where, so I should get it.
Zolf, very soon the kid's gonna have to face that man again.
Huh.
For the last time.